Beef biryani. Let's make beef biryani with simple ingredients. I have ready-made biryani masala. I have 2 pounds of the beef with the bone. I have onion, I have chilies, I have garlic, I have mint and cilantro, olive oil, yogurt. We have basmati sela rice for this recipe. 120 minutes of our time we will make this biryani. Let's start with 2 medium-sized onions. We will slice it, but first let's add oil in our pan. We will fry the onion first. So I'm using cast iron pan. This is 1 cup of olive oil. Keep the pan on the high flame. So for the biryani, slice the onion from the center and then slice it like this. This is the best way to go for the easy, simple biryani. These are the slices we need for the biryani. It's going to take 10 to 15 minutes making our onions brown in color. This is the beef with the bone. Any kind of beef with the bone works for this recipe. I strongly suggest use mutton biryani masala for the beef. You can use the same masala for the mutton, lamb or goat. This 1 pack is okay for 1 kg of the meat. Ready-made masala goes on top of the meat. Let's take plain yogurt. We are marinating the meat. Plain yogurt, here we go, 1 and 2. 2 big spoons of plain yogurt. Let's marinate this meat. Just mix it up, put the ready-made masala and mix it. Look at this. If you marinate the meat of the biryani, it comes more flavorful. This is the trick for it. This is our biryani meat, which is marinated. It will be sitting like this at least for 30 minutes. Biryani meat. Let's put this here. It's a marinated meat. We are still frying our onions until we see the brown color on our onions. Let's take our rice. We are taking 2 pounds of the meat. We are taking 4 cups of the rice. Basmati sela rice. This is 1, 3, 4. Just in case if you want to know the brand, this is Ahubara Extra Clean Super Basmati Sela. Let's take these rice and add it in hot boiling water until we see the 1 boil, and then we will take these rice out. So here goes 4 cup of rice. We are just waiting 1 good boil for the rice. Onions are getting brown, rice are cooking in the back, our meat is marinated for the biryani. Let's talk about our sponsor for this video. This is Mech Wallet by PunCube. Mech Wallet. Who needs boring wallets now when we have Mech Wallet by PunCube? We have all the cards in here. Even it holds large amount of cash. All your cards, your ID, everything gets in here. You can put at least 6 to 7 kind of cards in here, plus it's gonna hold the cash for you. Order this today. We cannot leave a house without carrying a wallet. All hard case, original, hard surface. It doesn't break up, it doesn't tear itself apart. It's good quality. Order this from PunCube. Thank you PunCube for sponsoring this video. Let's continue with the beef biryani recipe. If you see our rice, they are getting boiled, and this is the initial first boil. Just give it a stir and that's it. We are done cooking these rice. This is kind of the results you will see. Cover rice out, put it into our strainer. We will take cold water and put it on top of it, so the cooking process stops. These are just 1 boil basmati sela rice. Our onions are brown in color, our meat is marinated, our rice are ready. So here you go. Let's take the onions out. They are brown to darker brown in color. That's what we need. This will give the whole flavor to biryani. Let's put the onion on the side. Here is the pressure cooker. This is 5 liter of the pressure cooker. It goes on the stove. The remaining oil, the onion oil, it goes in here. Now it's the time we will make our meat tender in pressure cooker. We have Half cup of the oil in here. Let's add another half for the 2 pound of the beef. Another half of the oil. I'm using olive oil. Let's take our marinated beef. It goes all in here. After adding the meat, we will add 1 big spoon of salt in the meat. 1, 2, and 3. 2 pounds of the meat, marinated meat, and 3 cups of water. Give it a good mix. Let's pressure cook this for 30 minutes on the clock. 30 minutes later, since we added the beef, turn off the stove. Let's check on our beef. And here we go. Boom. Just by moving the spoon, I can tell the beef is tender. Look at this. Final part where all this magic gonna happen. Here is all the biryani beef in here, all of it. We will take the fried onion, just half of it. These are 2 onions, right? Let's spread the onion in here. Here is the biryani rice. We boiled it, all the rice. They go in here. Awesome, perfect. That's what we wanted. Spread them evenly. Handful of cilantro, handful of mint leaves. Okay. Here goes the mint. Here is all the remaining onion. 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder. It will bring the yellow color. Here is the secret, sesame oil. We'll take it, add at least 3 tablespoons. 1 more cup of water. It's on the medium slow heat. This is 1 cup of water. Spread it evenly on top. Let's take some green chilies and just add it right here. Let's take the foil, cover the whole pot. There you go. Here's the whole pot. Here's the lid, and it goes like this on top. It should be airtight. At this point, put your stove onto medium flame. Medium flame means 225 to 250 degree. Leave it like this for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, we're not moving the spoon right now. We've done our part. It's easy, simple steps, 4 or 5 steps to get easy, simple, homemade beef biryani. So 120 minutes later, and the final steaming, it's 40 minutes later, and I'm pretty sure it's completely done. Look at this. This is all steam. Oh, it's hot. And there you go. All the way from the base. Look at this biryani. Look at the colors. And here's the meat. Here it is. We have deliciously made beef biryani, and this is the first bite. Here we have the raita. We have yogurt, sliced onion, and cucumbers in here. And here goes the first bite. Look at this fluffy rice. Wow. It's balanced, not spicy, not too much salty. You're gonna enjoy this. Meat is super tender. Raita, famous biryani raita. It's a yogurt with cucumbers, onions, cumin, and salt. Delicious homemade biryani. All natural, easy to do. I'll link all these ingredients. I'll tag it in description box, so it's gonna be easy for you to just order it from YouTube. I've shared the easiest way how to make beef biryani